On this table are some unappreciated but super crucial tools you need in your production bag. Hi, Taylor here, Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. So all the equipment you see here is on our equipment recommendation page. And we did review videos on probably all of these in the past. And so if you're looking for a more detailed explanation, look out for those videos. But I'm gonna quickly just go through some of the essential tools that you need that you might overlook. Number one is the obvious one, gaffer's tape. If you need to fix something or hide something, gaffer's tape is the way to go. Arms. You can always use an extra hand on set. Well, how about an extra arm? We use these to hold external battery banks, monitors, and small lights. Multi-tools. Let's get real. Who doesn't need a multi-tool? From tightening tripods to cutting small strings or tightening bolts, this is one of the most essential underappreciated tools. A stinger reel. Everyone knows they need extension cords or stingers, but how do you really keep them organized? This particular reel keeps it extra organized, makes it very fast when it comes to cleanup, and has extra outlet ports. Are your guests getting a little hot, maybe a little nervous, and you're starting to see some of that shine? Keep these oil absorbent sheets. They're hypoallergenic wipes that you can use safely even with makeup. Outdoor elements dirtying your lens, or are kids getting a little too close and friendly? Keep this set of lens pens. These are little cleaners you can use to make sure your shot is staying clear. Last but not least is a prop being a fuss and not staying upright. Use Joe's sticky stuff. This is really quick and easy to use and is residue free. And so if you need something to stay in place, simply grab a little piece and stick. And I know I said last but not least, but you also always want to make sure that you have a charged cell phone or even a good old-fashioned pen and paper. You never know when you need to make a production note or an editing note. Now, I'm sure there are plenty of tools that I missed and did not speak about, so please share in the comments. What are tools that you use in every single production? And if you need help with your next production or anything within the realm of video marketing, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a complimentary strategy session.